Good evening. Tonight on Ctvnews, we are going to talk about hailstorms. And also later on the show, we are going to show you a live report of a hailstorm that is happening right now in Oklahoma City. But first, Sagan is going to tell you what is hail.
So hail is a form of precipitation that occurs at the beginning of thunderstorms. They usually consist of near spherical stones of ice and snow, usually combined in alternating areas. When and where do hailstorms occur? Okay, so hailstorms are very common in middle latitudes, and a heavy shower generally lasts around 15 minutes. So it has been observed that hailstorms generally occur during mid to late afternoon. So now we're going to show you Olivia reporting live from Oklahoma City.
Hello, I'm Olivia Delia reporting live from Oklahoma City, where there has been a thunderstorm and it just finished. So now there should be a hailstorm starting soon. So what is a hailstorm? A hailstorm is a raindrop that goes through a belt of cold air when they're entering Earth. Those raindrops eventually become frozen and then they become small blocks of ice. The size vary because it could be to a 1/4 inch, that is a pea size, to a 4 inch, that is a softball size, or a grapefruit. So it could be guys like this. So as you can see, it's starting to hail. So this hail is a 1 3/4 inch. So which one is the costliest? Is in April 10th, 2001, and it cost $2 billion. It can cause death, so they can cause death to little animals, like this. They can kill humans or cause injuries. And what kind of damage do they cause? They can damage cars, roofs, sidings, satellite dishes, and each year, millions of dollars of damage to crops like corn or soybeans are damaged. And the best way to protect yourself is to go inside. So what I suggest to you guys is stay inside until the hailstorm ends. Bye! Today on Ctvnews, we're going to do a report on hail, also known as hailstorms. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Good. 3, 2, 1. Hi, Mom. I'm just kidding. So hailstorms. No, wait. Do 3, 2, 1. Okay.
When and where?
No.
Oh. 3, 2, 1. Shower generally lasts about.
Killed one of the members of the team.
You're insecure,